it's me again, Miss Laura, and today we are going to be doing our story time craft. And today's craft, we're making little superheroes. I call these super sticks. So you can make one a villain or one a good guy and a bad guy, whatever you want. Okay, so if you come by our library, I did fix up some little craft packs as usual for it. But hopefully you would even have some of these supplies at your house. So inside of the pack, you will find 2 popsicle sticks or tongue depressors. You will find a cupcake liner. It can even be colored if you want to or printed. And then I just cut some paper into the shape of a triangle. Like I said, these are things that you might even have at your house. Some additional things you'll need are some glue. Markers or crayons would work nicely. And then I just hung on to some of my scraps of paper. It's not necessary, but I use it to make a little mask on one of my sticks there. All right, so let us begin. So the first one we're going to work on, the first one we're going to work on, I'm going to use the cupcake liner. So the first thing I want to do is, if I want to color this stick, now is the time to do it. So I'm going to give him a little bit of hair. And as I like Superman, I tend to make it black. So we'll do that, add some little eyes, a dot for a nose, and then he's going to have a little bit of a crookedy face there. So, and like I said, you can design your superhero or villain any way you want to. This down here is going to be like his little belt. And then we're going to give him like kind of like shorts. And I just color that in. You can make them any color you want to. You can color the whole popsicle stick just however you want to do. And as always, share with us what your super stick guy looks like. I'll put a little dot right there for his, on his utility belt. We'll give him a utility belt like Batman has. And I think I'm going to make his shirt red. Again, you can pick out whatever colors you want, name them whatever you want. I called mine super stick guys. And because I do that, I'm going to put a S on his shirt for stick or super. All right, so once you get that face on there, you're going to take your cupcake liner and kind of flatten it out. And you're going to fold, this is the only tricky part, you're going to fold the top section of it down, like so. And then you're going to kind of make a triangle out of it. Okay, so see how I just folded that in? There you go, there's the better angle instead of looking at it upside down. And I'm going to repeat it on that side. It doesn't have to be perfect. There we go. It's a little crooked, but it'll work. And then I kind of line it up with where his neck is and stuff, but otherwise it would look like he's wearing like a wedding veil. So we're going to put it about midway on him. So I just dribble down some glue on my stick and get my glue going. Always the hardest part of my craft. And I started my line right roughly where his neck is. So I'll look back here and let's see if the glue will cooperate this time. There it comes. Like I said, this is always the hardest part of my craft, is getting the glue to come out. And I say you could even use a glue stick on this. Because it's wood, the glue dries fairly quickly. So that's nice. I'm going to kind of adjust my cupcake liner a little bit better. I wasn't happy with the look of it. There we go. And then you just stick it right on there. Press it down. And ta-da, you got one superhero with a cape. Now, if you don't want a cape on your superhero, that's fine too. Whatever you want to do with them. Now my next one, if you look here, he kind of reminds me of a Ninja Turtle. So if you didn't have the cape on here, he's definitely a Ninja Turtle. So if you don't want a cape, don't have to put a cape on there. So we will try. And I also colored him all in a one-piece suit. So maybe he's a Ninja Turtle with the cape, or maybe he's just a superhero in a one-piece outfit. I don't know. Have to use your imagination. So this one, I'm going to do slightly different. I think I'm going to give him brown here. Turn him around maybe so you can see him this time. Maybe this one's going to be a girl too. So we'll give her a little bit longer here. Because girls can be superheroes too. Or supervillains, whatever you want. And she's going to have some pretty blue eyes, I think. There we go. And we'll give her a nose. And she's going to be, let's see, I don't want to make her frowny because I'm drawing upside down. So there we go. And there's the neck of her shirt. And, what kind of, we'll go ahead and put her with a belt also. And kind of, I'm repeating the same thing I did over there. And I guess I could have made her different bottoms. You can give her a skirt, whatever you want to make for her. And let's see, we'll make her belt red. Just to add some variety there. And, I think I'll give her a green shirt. There we go. That looks pretty. I am really excited about seeing what kind of superheroes you all create. I love superheroes. All right, and we're gonna put SW on hers for Stick Woman. All righty, so now I didn't put the mask on. I think I am gonna put a mask on, so let me kind of narrow down her mask just a little bit. And I don't even need scissors for this. I'm just kind of cutting it down a little bit. That's the nice thing about it, is masks kind of wrap around. So I'm just kind of tearing it with my fingers, not even using any scissors. And then I'm just kind of measuring it because she wants nobody to recognize her. So I'm going to put a little bit of dollop of glue right across her eyes. And don't worry, she's going to get eyes back. And then I just take my little scrap of paper, and it could be whatever color you want. I just laid it right on her eyes. And that glue, you can just dab off there, and it should dry clear. It kind of looks weird right now, but when you add some eyes on there, it will come out a little bit better looking, hopefully. There you go. There, suddenly she has eyes. And you could put little eyebrows on there, which I don't know, my glue's going to be wet, so it probably won't work. I'll just add a little side eyebrows there. There. Alrighty, so she's coming along. Now, like I said, in your craft pack, I've made little triangles of paper, and you can decide which way you want your triangle to go. It is a little crookedy, I realize that. And again, I'm going to line it up about midway where her neck is, and I'm going to decide which way. That doesn't look right, so we're going to go ahead and stick with it that way. Maybe the wind's blowing to the side, that's why it's flying out. And it doesn't have to be exact. You can kind of adjust it a little bit. So just like I did with this one, I'm going to lay a trail of glue from the neck down and fight with my glue again. My favorite part of the crafts, other than trying to pick up googly eyes. What you can even put on your popsicle sticks too, if you have some at the house. Those work really well too. I just put her cape on down. And then for this one, see, looking pretty good, huh? She shaped up good. And then because she's stick woman, we're gonna put a SW on her cape. There you go. And now you can take your superheroes and they can go save the day or battle it out if one's a bad guy and one's a good guy, whatever you want to do. So again, let me see your creations because I'm crazy about superheroes. And we'll see you again next week. Alrighty, have fun. Bye-bye.